Good afternoon, folks. This is Thomas. You're watching S&T Fishing. Today, I'm going to be fishing a lake we've been fishing for a couple years now. Caught a bunch of good crappie. Today, I got the kayak loaded up. Fishing 2 rods. I'm going to be vertical jig fishing, and the other's under a slip cord, artificial. And we're going to see if we can get some fish in the boat. As soon as we get there, we'll get them rods out and we'll rig them up for you guys and show you how to rig a slip cord if you don't know how. Very simple and very effective way of catching crappie. If they're slow, you can keep it in their face for a long period of time. You can adjust your depths. We'll get on into that once we get there. I'm about 5-10 minutes out from the lake. We hope you enjoy. We'll see you when we get to the lake. Y'all stay tuned. This is the lake we're gonna be fishing. Couple good trees out there right in the middle. Old cypress. Here's the boat dock. Get up here close to the water and we'll back this boat up. Alright, today I got a 1/32 ounce jig head sickle hook. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to tie one. For the vertical jig, I'll be doing a loop knot. Alright, you run your, so you can see that, run your main line through the eye of the hook, bring your tag in back, and just simple go around your fingers. And then what I like to do is get 3 loops. There's 1, there's 2, 3. Then I just place that loop I made, you can see that, around the eye. Just bring it tight about where you want it and just snug it. All right, it's pretty simple. What I like about it, it sits vertically, you know. This way it looks more natural whenever it's coming across a fish's mouth there in the water. So then I'm going to use Bobby Garland. He's man, he makes some good baits. I love his products. It's just something I like to use. This is a monkey milk. Very simple. Just hook it. Come out straight with it. And that's it. That's it on the first rig there. Okay, the other rig I'm using, it's gonna be a slip cord. You can buy these. Here, I got a pack here. Buy these from Walmart. They're cheap, super cheap, and there's a lot of them. So get one out the bag, run it through your main line, put it up there out of the way. Then they got the little bead, little tiny bead, and you run your bead on there, put that up there out of the way. Then slip cord bobber. You got the hole all the way through for the slip cord. Run it down. And I'm using 4-pound test Mr. Crappie high vis. And again, 1/32 ounce sickle hook, jig hook. And again, a loop knot. Again, just twist it around your fingers. Come 1, come twice. You put the whole jig through that loop you made around your fingers. And then you just bring it down snug. Wet a little bit. And just pull it tight. All right, cut your tag in off. And this one here, I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to go with this one. Baby Shad, Threadfin Shad by Bobby Garland. Good baits. Love their baits. You can tell this never been open. Get that right there. Boom. I think that's what they like right there. That little tail is just barely any movement. Try 2 different colors. See which one they like the most. Oh yeah. And I have a snap weight, just a small snap weight. I like to go 10 inches above your hook. Snap it down. And you got straighter the better. Take that little plastic out. All you do is just squeeze, you just pull both tag ends, set it. I like mine starting out 3 foot. Get your tag ends on your bobber stop, that's what they're called. Just snug it, wet it a little bit. Cut the tags off, and there you go. Now the bobber comes up and it hits right there, and what you got down that's the depth you're fishing. Unless you move this little knot here, the bobber stop, you just pinch it and just pull it away. You can go deeper, bring it down to go shallow. That's how that works. Let's see if we can get some fish. All right, here we go. Of course, safety first. Got to have your life vest on. Water feels good. All right, here we go. A little windy out here today. I'm gonna ease up to this tree right here, anchor down. Quite a few trees here. There's one here, one there. Y'all stay tuned. See if we get some in the boat. We got hooked up. It's probably not the target species. Oh, it is. Look at there. There you go. Nice crappie. It's hard to catch these things if you're not right on top of them. He wanted that thing. Let me get him unhooked and we'll let him go. We got him unhooked. He's legal. I'm not keeping him today. Let him go back and do his thing. There he goes. Just let it sit there and pause, twitch it a little bit. Just get that tail just a going. They can't stand it. They absolutely love it. All right, let's go back in. All right, guys. Different species right here. Little bass on a crappie jig. There we go. Y'all check this out. Look at his mouth. Check that out, y'all. That's pretty neat. The way his lip is black. The bottom's the same way. Check that out, y'all. Beautiful fish. Nice largemouth. It's just crazy how his mouth is black. Like that. All right, let's let him go. See you later, fella. Crappie jig. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it on that one. If y'all like this video, hit the thumbs up. Y'all remember, subscribe if you haven't. There'll be more videos to come. S&T Fishing out.